Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly adjust background transparency in Roblox on your iPhone or Android device. Do you want to make your Roblox gameplay look cleaner and less distracting? Well, whether you want a more transparent menu, cleaner visuals, or a better gaming experience, this hands-on guide will help you change the settings easily in just a few taps. So follow along and customize your Roblox display the way you like. So first you have to launch the Roblox on your device and then hit the menu button located at the upper left corner of the screen. Then you have to choose settings in the menu. After that, you have to choose device preferences option. Now you have to drag the slider located under background transparency section left or right to perfectly adjust the transparency. It's worth pointing out that dragging the slider to the right allows you to increase the background transparency, while dragging it to the left lets you decrease it. And that's how you can perfectly customize the background transparency in Roblox on your iOS or Android devices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one.